Yeah, that's how I get it too. I get it from the textbook.
It is not letting me. Mm,
Wait,
Okay.
are you trying to open up the soccer shoes or whatever?
Yeah, no, no, I'm trying to. Oh, is that the one? No, I'm trying to open up the one, the woman poet, which is the one for our group assignment. But I can't even get to the list of them. And I usually, gosh, my textbook's not doing what it normally does because I can see it on my screen, but then when I click on it, okay, let me try this.
Okay. Now I'm good.
Oh my gosh. I feel so, oh, data files. Okay,
You got it. Just
finally.
take your time. It's gonna work out. We're not in a hurry.
Okay. Mandy, my dog's feeling well enough to be whiny because she wants to go.
Oh,
Hmm.
good.
This
Yay.
has good and bad. um,
Over here.
Tell Monica, say when you're ready to get started, and we'll get started on.
Okay, I am ready.
Okay. In question number 3, it says, in an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null hypothesis when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. True.
Wait.
yep.
Oh, you're on the test.
Yes.
Okay, I thought we were going over the part 2.
Oh, okay. No. Did you have a question on part 2?
No, I haven't done it. That's the problem. I don't know that I have a question.
All right.
Okay.
Should we proceed, or do you want to go over part 2?
Fine. When we're done, if I go back and I can't get
Yeah,
it.
let's do it. We'll do it together. We'll go through this. Let Katie go on with her day, and then we'll get through that. Okay. Question number 4. Katie, you want to read it?
Yep. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Sample means are all positive, data in each group are normally distributed, variances are equal in each group, none of the above, or B and C. It's B and C.
I'm going to go
Right.
B and C. Mm-hmm.
You with us,
Yeah,
Monica?
except for,
Or Roger, as Google Hangout says?
I guess, I was just thinking in my mind that the variances, if the null is rejected, the variances aren't equal in each group, so, or are they?
The variances only have to deal with if you can perform ANOVA hypothesis test.
Yeah, and
I don't
this.
think it doesn't have anything to do with rejecting the null.
Yeah, that's what I think too. I don't think it has to do with anything. It's just when the requirements. That's all it's talking about.
Okay. All right, 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Construct a QQ plot for each group.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, number 6. It says we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The largest sample is less than 2 times the smallest sample mean. See, there's that 2. Okay. The largest is less than 4 times. Yep. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Yeah.
Yep. Okie dokie. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah,
What?
really? What a dumb question!
Oh.
It'd just be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4, right?
Wait, wasn't there a question on that? It's like doing 12 tests. I remember seeing that. Was that in the homework? If there was 4, it's like doing 4 tests.
Let's see.
So there would be 6.
There'd be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4,
2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4.
Oh, that was in the homework.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yeah, that seems right. Wait, no. Wait, no, yes. Yeah, no, yeah, yeah.
Hold on, I gotta turn off my omelet.
I think, Pam, what you're thinking of
Mm-hmm.
is when it was talking about the 6 groups for the soccer shoes one, and it talks about, like, we don't do, like, the 2 sample t-tests because that would be doing, like, this many.
Right.
So that's what I'm thinking of.
Right. But I think it was the one that that one have 4 no, that one had like 5. Yeah, maybe you're right.
Just 1 second, I gotta put my dog out.
Okay. So how many did you guys come up with? 6?
Yeah. Does it make sense?
I don't know. I'm still trying to look for the answer from that where I saw that, but you're right. It probably is that.
I wouldn't worry about it too much.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Okay. The soccer shoes data has 6 groups, A, B, C, D, E, and socks.
Mm-hmm.
These data can be found in the wiki. Load all 6 samples onto the quantitative inference procedure spreadsheet or perform an ANOVA test in SPSS and observe the p-value and observe that the p-value is 0.0809. Remove the socks data. What is the p-value? Okay, now this is where you guys have to slow down for me because I hadn't opened, I mean, I have this open, but I haven't run any of them yet.
How do we remove the socks data?
You just, when you open it up, you just go down to where it says footwear and it says socks, and you just delete all of them.
Okay. All right, let me open it up.
Well, first get me to where I see the SPS, where I see the p-value. So I go to, back up and see my instructions. Hold on. I go to analyze, right? Compare. One-way ANOVA. Is that, am I doing that right?
Wait, why are you doing all this? We
Well,
just need to delete the socks.
Well, because I want to make sure I see the p-value that they have first. I just, because I haven't walked through this before, so how, without deleting anything, how do I get to the p-value that they say?
Probably with analyze statistics, descriptive statistics, and Explorer.
No, okay.
Oh no, it's probably in
Isn't it compare
yeah, it's
and then one way?
yeah, Analyze, compare means, and then one way ANOVA.
And then do I go to, wait. Factor box, okay. Click on options, okay. Means plot. I don't see that. Oh, there we go. Okay. I got to tell my girls to go. Hey girls, have you left?
Oh, nuts.
Okay, it says following the points will help you. Let's see. The descriptive section gives the output of the sample size, but I can't get it to, I can't hit my OK button. Really? Yeah, you should be there already. Mandy, the reason I put her on a leash. Walk quickly because it's past 8. Sorry, I'm frustrated with my children.
I heard that's normal.
Yes. You're so funny, Katie.
What did she say? I missed it completely.
She said, I heard that's normal.
Your parents have never felt that with you, have they, dear Katie?
Oh no, I was the perfect child.
Okay, has anybody got to that yet? Why am I not able to get that?
Well, before I remove it, I want to see if there's any other questions that I'm going to need with it on there. So,
But I don't even know. Katie, do you know how to get to it with it on there? 'Cause
I know how to get to everything
I'm
else. I'm not sure.
you know, let's do this, Monica. Let's go through. Let's do it like, let's do the transform and automatic recode.
It's already, I think it's already recoded.
Okay, but if you try and get the
Wait, maybe not, because they're A, B, C, D, E.
right.
And it has to be numbers.
Right. So I think we do have to recode it because I tried to do it and it won't do it.
Okay.
So recode it and then let's do the.
So the footwear goes into the recode, right?
So then we're going to try to do the analyze, compare means, and the one-way ANOVA. And then we're going to do the recode and put that over. No, the recode, sorry, wrong. Clicking accuracy goes in the dependent list, and the recode goes in the factor. Let me go, okay.
Automatic recode.
Okay, and what did they say the value was? I have the p-value is 0.081. Is that what they said it was?
Here, I'll look.
Which would be rounded up.
It's
You're right.
Yeah, it's 0.0809. So yeah, round it up.
How did
Okay,
you
wait.
get 0.0? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It
Wait,
says
where are you guys at? I'm
We're-
lost.
we're just checking. We're just double checking. We're
but
just checking to
wait,
see we have
Pam,
it.
walk me through what you just did, because let me start at the very beginning. Okay, so I hit my transform. I do that first, right? Automatic code.
Automatic.
Walk me,
And
and I
then
put footwear over,
yes.
and so I type in footwear code,
And then you give it a new name.
right? And I did that.
And then you push OK.
Okay, and then
it gives you that weird page. So yeah, I just
right, and I make that small, but then it still has my footwear is A, B, C, D, E.
It should be, there should be another thing on the right that has your new code.
You're right. Okay, I forgot.
So did yours put A as 1? Mine put A as 2.
It does it as in alphabetical order.
Mine did A as 1.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine did it as 2, and where my socks used to be, it has 1s. So I don't know if I like deleted them all the way or like what happened.
My socks has 6s.
Oh, well, my socks are deleted. I don't know if I...
Okay, so then once I have recoded it, I go into Analyze, right?
Analyze, compare means, and one-way ANOVA.
Just a minute. Okay. Whoops. Compare means, one-way ANOVA. And then I put footwear code.
Yes.
Over to dependent?
No, the dependent is this accuracy.
Okay. And the footwear code goes to the factor.
Exactly.
Have you guys not deleted the socks yet?
No.
Okay. And I don't have to hit anything in options. I just hit OK.
Right. And then you see your p-value.
Because in the book it says we should hit the a plot. What was it? It says to check the means plot, but we don't have to do that?
No. Not
Okay.
for this. You're just trying to find the p-value.
Okay, so 0.081. So that would have rounded it up. Okay. So that equals what they had.
Right. So now
we delete the socks.
So we just highlight it.
Wait, how do I go back to that?
Katie, how did you delete? You just highlight it and push backspace?
Well, that's what I did, but then when I tried to automatic recode, it did something weird, so I'm sure there's probably somewhere... I, like, reopened it because I think that, like, threw it off. I'm not even really sure. I wish it would say, like, oh, by the way, this is the best way to delete stuff.
Right.
Because they can't just assume that we know how to do everything all the time.
Right. I can cut it. Do I go to edit and cut? Let me try that.
Oh, they did say something about cutting and pasting correctly.
I'm going to push edit and cut.
Okay, I just redid it without that and it didn't change. Wait, how come I have two ANOVAs? Did it change it? What did you get the second for this when you cut the... I just deleted them. I just went in and highlighted all the socks and deleted them and then ran my analysis, but it still brought up both the 0.081 and the second one says 0.309. Is that what you guys got, or did I do something weird?
What are you talking about? I'm just deleting stuff.
Oh.
What numbers are you talking about?
Well, the first time I looked at the p-value, it was 0.081, and so then I went in and I deleted all my socks and reran an analysis, so did the analyze, the compare means, and the one ANOVA. And it still brought up my old comparison, and then the new one, it says it's 0.309, and I'm not sure if I did it right.
I don't know what you're really talking about.
Yeah, I'm not either. I'm trying to recode. I'm trying to recode without the socks. That's what I'm trying to do.
Why do you have to recode without the socks?
Because they want to know the p-value without the socks. That's the next question.
I know, so if you delete the socks and reanalyze it, doesn't it?
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Okay, I just don't understand why you'd have to recode because everything's already coded. You would just delete the whole socks code. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, my stupid dog.
All right. Without the socks, I have a p-value of 0.301.
Where are you seeing the p-value?
I got
That's in the
0.309.
significance, SIG.
I don't see that anywhere.
Did you go to analyze, compare means, one-way ANOVA?
Yeah. And it has like N, mean, standard deviation, standard error, 95% confidence interval, minimum, maximum, but no significance.
Oh, that is way different than what I have. Mine shows sum of squares.
Oh, that's another table. Never mind.
Yeah.
So I have 0.309 right now.
That's what I have. I have 0.309.
I have 0.301. Oh. How come
I bet you just go back and look. You might have one sock left
Okay.
that didn't get deleted.
Or maybe
Wait, what was the p-value before we deleted the sock?
It was 0.081.
What is your DF?
Just a minute, and I'll tell you. I had to move away from my computer for a minute. My DF is 4.
495.
Yeah, I must have put, because I have 5, so I had to have left one in there still. And within groups, what do you have there?
95.
Yep.
Ah! All right, I did it wrong. It's me.
Okay.
Let me go back. A, B, C, D, E. I got nothing.
Did you accidentally delete an E, maybe?
No, there's still more socks.
Oh, my God.
More socks.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yep, I didn't delete all the socks. I still left some. Delete. Delete. That was a big group. Okay.
Okay, so I didn't have to go back and reach. We got the same answer. All I did was after the transformation, I deleted the socks and then reanalyzed it. Okay, what else do we need from this? The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included. I would guess that's true.
Wait, did it go up?
It did go up because it was 0.081 before we removed a group. And after we removed the group, it was 0.309. But I don't know if that's an always.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
I got it. 0.309. Sorry. 4N95.
Sit down.
Okay.
So I don't know.
That's a weird question.
I don't remember seeing that in the reading. Let me.
It's because it's not there.
What question are you on?
What?
What question are you on?
9.
The p-value always
I
goes
think that's a really dumb question.
compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included. Let's think about it.
I think it's a dumb question.
How are we supposed to know?
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
The p-value always goes up. In only one group. I don't think so. I would think false.
No, I'd have to test it on another thing and take out another thing and see. Wait, let's see. The p-value of an ANOVA test always.
One sec. Before we go too much further, we need to read question 10 real quick,
Okay.
I think. So it says, what is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group? You will need to compute an ANOVA for each possible option.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, what does the f value do to the p-value? Because it says when we use an F distribution, which is the right skewed, the p-value of an ANOVA test is always the area to the right of the F statistic.
Mm-hmm.
And so if we can envision this on a graph,
Right.
where our F whatever happens to F, how that changes P.
I seriously think that question 10 is supposed to be before question 9, because it's asking us to do it for each, and then probably then we could have a better thing about if the p-value goes up.
Okay, let's do it.
But do we put the sock back, or do we...
I know. What do you do to put it back? I deleted it. Do we have to start, download every time?
Well, did you just use cut? Because you should be able to use paste and put it back.
Okay. Yeah, but I pushed delete.
I did too. So that makes sense to use paste, cut and paste. At least I think I did. Let me try. Yeah. Okay, so I have to reload it?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, get rid of
And let's
this.
do this together so we make sure we get them all the same.
Okay, just a minute.
Okay, so. So with no socks, P is 0.309. Okay. Is there an undo button?
I hope this means that we had to put the socks back and then just take out another one. I hope that's what it means.
I hope that's what it means.
That's how I interpret it.
I feel like these questions are really dumb for what we learned in the reading. I'm sorry, but that's...
I agree.
If she watches it, I'm just fine.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! I have to reopen my SPS because it had some error or something. So it just exited out on me.
That's okay, I'm back to rebooting everything. Okay. So now I'm going to take out, I'm going to start with taking out number 1, which for me is A's.
Okay, so we're going to take out the A's.
Yeah. So we do control cut. Wait, I just did copy. How do you cut it?
1 sec, I have to automatic recode again.
Okay.
I have the automatic recode too, but I have to take it out first for your recode. So we're taking out A, right?
Yeah, but then you don't have to recode it after that, Pam.
Yeah, just as
You
a
just put your
as it's full, like do the automatic recode.
Yeah, you only have to do the automatic recode at the beginning. And
Okay.
every time you cut and paste, you just have to reanalyze it. You don't have to recode it because it leaves it in the right.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay, so walk me through that one. So I'll put footwear recode.
I know how to copy and how to put in, but how do I cut out? So I copy it and then I delete it. Is that how you cut?
Yeah, how do you delete now that everything's been recoded?
Well, before I just clicked the numbers thereby and I dragged down, but it's not letting me do that for some reason now.
Well, it did it for me, but
Oh, never mind, now it's working. It's letting me.
and so then if I analyze, Mandy, stop it. Okay. I get 0.060 with A gone.
How do you get rid of A? What did you do? Because if you only had to transform once, what did you do?
I hit Control C to copy it.
Yeah.
Well, I highlighted all of the A's.
Yeah.
And then I hit Control C to copy, and then I hit delete. So it deleted all of A.
Uh-huh.
And then I hit my analyze, compare one way. And I got 0.060.
Mine's not letting me highlight all of them for some reason.
And when you highlighted, did you highlight all across?
Yeah, well, yeah, I think it did.
Okay.
What the heck? Mine's not letting me highlight. Like I'm clicking on the numbers and it keeps on switching them, like the data, but it doesn't let me like highlight. Am I doing something wrong?
Dragging it? I
Yeah,
just
it's
clicked
like
once and dragged it down.
that's what it was doing before, but now it's being weird.
Pam, are you having any luck?
Let's see. I'm
I'm going
gonna
to see if I can put it back. I'm going to write down what my
Okay, I got it.
say.
Finally.
So what did you get, Katie?
Well, it's like I'm getting there.
Okay, what did you get, Monica, without A?
Without A, I got 0.060.
That's what I
Yep,
got.
I got
I'm not sure. All right. Okay.
You're not sure what?
If I did it right. Okay.
Well, it's not the same as us.
What's your F, Pam?
My F,
Uh-huh.
2.352. Do we need to know that? I should
No,
do all the questions.
no, we don't need to know it.
I think you're just thinking about it too much, Pam.
Okay,
All right.
that's what you got, Katie. Did you finally get in there?
Yeah, that's what I got.
So I'm going to try and go back and see if it will let me add it back now. I'm going to Cut and paste. Okay, it added it back. So I just hit Control V and it added A back in. So now I'm going to highlight and take B out.
Did you put it on the bottom?
No, I started from the top.
Oh, well, there's no blank spaces for mine. It moved B up.
Oh, it did?
Oh, mine
Yeah.
didn't.
Mine didn't.
That's weird.
That's
I'm
weird.
sure it won't.
We're all doing the same thing. It's gotta be something different we're doing here. Boop, boop, boop. Back up, back up.
I need to know how many numbers to go through. Let me look at it really quick. B goes to 40.
40.
Okay, so 21 through 40. So I don't delete the numbers. That I don't do. Okay, 40. Control copy, delete, reanalyze. Okay, so it gave me my old one plus the new one, and I got 0.052.
That's what I got.
Gone.
That's what I got too.
Okay, are you there, Katie?
0.052?
Yep.
That's what I got.
Okay, so let's go back and add that back in.
This is annoying.
Okay, this time it looks like it did take my B's out, but I'll just
I
put them.
just put it back on the bottom and it worked out.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the bottom, did you leave it in the, oh, never mind, got it. So you're starting at 100, right? 101?
Yeah. Okay. So now we take out.
My Control V is not working. It must not have saved.
C goes to 40 again. Control, copy, delete, analyze. Okay, so this one I got 0.448. Interesting. Or did anybody else get that, or did I do something wrong?
I'm still getting rid of the C's.
Me too.
Oh man, it stopped working again. Ah.
Okay, we're getting rid of C's.
I was like, I'd open it up all again because my thing's being weird.
Okay, I'm writing mine down and I'm going to go on. Okay, D's.
They're automatic recoded again. Ah.
This is so funny, actually.
This is ridiculous.
I'm sorry I'm eating my breakfast in front of everybody, but I usually eat early, and so I was starved.
Oh, well, we can't see. We're just too busy working on our homework.
Yeah, I can't even see any of you because I have my SPS and I can't see where you guys are at.
Yes, me too. I'm completely not on VMware. I'm not even in. That's not even where the broadcast is.
Okay, let me know when you guys have C and D. I'm going to E.
Okay.
Now that I have everything open again.
So, Katie, I think you're right that these questions are out of order. That happened in the book last week with one of the things.
On the quiz, remember we were saying that when we got the p-value and it had to be wrong?
Oh, uh-huh.
So, and we did get it wrong.
What was it?
It was supposed to be, the number was right, but it was positive. It wasn't negative.
I don't know why. Did you talk to her about it? Because I forgot to get on with her and I didn't look at the...
Oh my goodness, it stopped working again. Holy cow. My SPSS isn't really working.
Okay, well, I don't know whether you want to trust me or not, but I'm through E.
Yeah, what do you have? What do you have? We're just comparing. So what is it without no C?
It's 0.448.
Wow, that one was big. Okay, and what about with no D?
0.031.
C was kind of big, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
E was 0.050. Well, and I wrote F score too, just so that I could compare, you know, and so all the F scores are big except for C, where it ends up being little.
Wait, what was without E?
Without B is 0.052.
No, E. E as in here.
Oh, 0.050.
Okay.
Now these are what I got. Whether, you know, hopefully I did it all right, but. So Pam, with that one that we missed, did she explain to you why it should have been positive, or did you?
No, but she went over the homework, and I haven't listened to it. I just didn't have the time.
Oh, I didn't.
I could go over on, you know, on Adobe Connect.
I didn't see that she had listed it. I hadn't looked. I forgot. So I will look at that.
Okay, without C, I got 0.448. Yep, you're right. Monica, you're so smart. Nice.
I don't know. My thing's just working today.
Well, mine's not.
Girl, you got it going on.
Okay, so.
Wait, I'm checking it real quick, too.
So it makes number 9 false. So number 9 was the p-value always goes up when one group is.
I got 0.448.
Yep.
Yay, Katie!
Time.
Mandy, stop.
So they kind of went all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lot of research for one question.
Well, it's technically for 2.
Yeah.
It said, what is the highest p-value you see when you're moving only one group? And that would be 0.448, right?
Well, and
yeah, that was the highest. When all 6 samples are used, what is the minimum smallest variance? So the smallest one was 0.031.
okay, wait. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go back to question 9.
No. This is a different question, Monica. It's asking for the variance now, not the p-value.
Oh, good catch. Thanks, Katie.
Okay, wait.
No problem.
So
I'm
on
here.
number 9, what did you guys put? True or false? The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed. That would be
False.
false, right?
Right.
What is the highest p-value? 0.448, right?
Yes.
Okay. When all 6 samples are used, what is the minimum smallest variance? Round to the 3 decimal. Okay, that's including socks, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but help me know where the variance, what am I looking for the variance?
You're looking for standard deviation squared. They don't have variance. You just have to.
Somewhere in there is variance. I can't
Oh,
remember.
really? Maybe I just missed it.
Maybe that's in the descriptive statistics.
Okay, so we go back and we put everything in. So I put everything back. Okay, just a minute. And then I go back to analyze descriptive statistics explore, or do we do the Q plot? Wait just a minute.
We're just looking for variance. That is all.
Okay,
Yeah.
so to get to the standard deviation, we have to go to, oh, it does say that it's,
Okay, yeah. Pam, you're right. You do have to do descriptive statistics and explore.
Right. And then I think, and then you put in the dependent list, you put in the kicking accuracy, and then the factor list, you put in the footwear.
the footwear code.
Recode, yes. Oh, thank you. I would have got it all wrong. Yes.
And then do we hit plots on this?
Wait, plots. Where are you at, friend?
Well, I'm on that same explore, but sometimes,
Oh no, you don't. You don't change it. You just keep it as it is.
okay. Okay, so I get case summary. Let's see. Let me go down. My descriptives. Let me just make sure. Okay, so it gives you a mean for each one, right?
It's supposed to.
Okay.
We're looking for the variance though.
For
Yeah,
each-
it says the variance. Okay. So
Wait.
let's see.
Where does it say the variance?
When it goes to descriptives.
And then it has like A, B, C. It has all of them.
Oh, variance. So the for A, it's 27.358. Is that correct?
Yeah. And then B is 29 I'm writing all these down. 29.484. C is 27.208. D
You're
is
going
53.
fast, right?
Yeah, I just wrote them all down.
So am I. But you're way faster at moving your mouse.
Yes, my goodness, Katie.
I spend way too much time on this computer.
Well, D is definitely not it. E is
We're
not it.
looking for the minimum, right?
Yes.
The minimum is C.
27.208.
Yep.
Wait, let me get them all down.
Yeah, we probably should get them all down because then they're going to ask.
I have them written all down. Right.
Okay, I almost do. I'm not quite there. I'm on socks.
Yay. So if you guys see, C right there is the smallest.
Oh, you know what though? I have one of my groups mixed up because when I added it back, maybe?
No, because they're still labeled the same.
Okay.
So if you read them, like, okay, A is 27.358, right?
You guys can have some egg.
And B is 29.484. Is that what you
Okay.
got?
Yeah, yeah. So the lowest then is 27.208. Okay. Wait, but that's, oh, that is the variance. So we didn't have to work that out. Okay, so that was 11. Number 12, when all 6 samples are used, what is the maximum largest variance?
53.
So that would be 40.
No, it'd be
Oh, no,
53.
53. Yeah, sorry, 53. 53.158. Okay, the test for equal variances is satisfied for these data.
True.
So, yeah, because neither, it's within 4 times.
Yes, true.
Oh, but we haven't checked to see if they, oh, that was just equal variances. I was like, but we haven't checked the cube lots.
Okay.
No, that's the next question.
Okay.
So that's when we have
But
to.
let's read the next question too, so we don't have to keep coming back and forth. And the last question is the test statistic for the ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. What is the p-value to the area to the right of the F statistic?
Is the p-value to the area to the right or to the left?
Is the p-value area to the right or to the left? And it's supposed to be to the right.
Yeah, it's to the right.
Okay, now we just need to do the QQ plots.
Okay. I actually did that.
Wait, let me walk us through it. So we go back into Analyze.
Yep, and you need to go back to Explore and then do the options QQ plot for normality. And I think they all look normal.
Wait. Why am I not seeing the...
The one that might not look normal is...
Pam, wait a minute. So I go to Explore. I have those same things, kicking and footwear.
Uh-huh.
And do I hit statistics or do I hit plots?
You hit plots. And then you check the normality plots.
I am not seeing where it says normality plots.
Well, I'm just going off my memory.
Okay, so in SPSS, you go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore, and then there's the little plots on the display that you click.
Check statistics on the side. The statistic, you just want to click the normality plots.
Okay, so on the bottom, did you do the little circle next to plots?
No.
I don't know. I already did it. Let's see.
And then you click the button on the right that says plots, and in the middle there says normality plots with
the one with the normality plots. That's the QQ. You want to click that.
Totally missed. Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it gives us both the, wait, I'm scrolling, I'm not seeing my QQ plots.
It's pretty far down.
It's pretty far down.
The one that looks kind of weird is the one that says socks.
So A is
They're all pretty normal.
B, C, D, E. Yeah, the socks one, and there was another one, like B or something, that I would say are a little more off than.
Yeah.
Okay, so but we're saying they're normal?
I'm going to say they're normal.
Yep.
Okay.
We're done.
All right, now I have to go put it all in my test.
Well, what was the F statistic? Did you guys get that? Did you write that down?
Wait, for what?
All of them?
F
I did.
statistic.
But it doesn't actually ask what it is. It says, is the p-value... Oh, I did. Okay.
You did write down the F statistic?
Yeah, for each one. I didn't write it down. I wrote it down as we eliminated each group. I don't think I wrote it down for the full one.
Here, I'll look it up real quick.
Go back and do that.
Yeah, and that is going to be in analyze, compare means, one-way ANOVA, and that's going to be add the pendulum.
Find the F statistic. We don't need it.
Well, I'm just making sure that it's that the p-value is to the right.
That's what it's asking us to check. So
the F score is 2.020.
where are you getting that?
On the
For this one, I just remember reading it. It says, for S distributions, they're always right skewed, the value of F are never negative, and the p-value for an ANOVA is the area in the right tail. We never divide the area in the tail. And so, isn't it always on the right?
yeah, it's supposed to always be on the right.
I don't know if that...
To make sure that we didn't do something weird.
Well, the F is 2.020, and the p-value is 0.081. So that would not be on the right.
Yeah, it'd be on the left. I guess maybe that was something different.
The p-value for ANOVA is the area in the right tail. It doesn't say the p-value. I think it's false. The p-value, because this is where what I was thinking. F distribution characteristic.
Yeah, I think I was thinking about that too.
It's right skewed. The F value's never negative, and the p-value for ANOVA is the area in the right tail. So test
I'm not really sure.
is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or left? The ace. What? Test statistic for an anal hypothesis is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or left of the F statistic? What?
I'm just kind of confused. I do know that they said that the F distribution, the p-value is the area in the right tail. It says the test statistic in ANOVA follows an F distribution. This is the first time we have encountered this distribution. In previous tests, we have used the test statistic Z and T. For the ANOVA test, we use the F statistic. Here's a brief summary of the characteristics of the S distribution. It is right skewed. The values of F are never negative, and the p-value for the ANOVA test is in the area of the right tail, and we will never divide the area in the tail.
Right.
So I think it's in the right, because that's what I think the question's asking, but...
All right. I'm going to go, you're right.
You want me to submit it?
Yeah.
Oh, we got 100. We're good.
Okay. Good job.
Yay! Well,
Okay, I think we're done. Thank you so much, Katie. You're so smart. You guys both are so smart.
no, you guys are all great. Where did Roger go, anyways?
Yeah, Roger, you
Flash
still
I guess she's gone.
there? Okay.
Did she get the last one then?
I'm sorry?
Did she turn it in and get the last one and everything?
I don't know.
No.
I'm not sure where
I
she's
guess I'll
at.
text her.
Yeah, she'll probably text me. I'm surprised she hasn't texted me yet.
Well, I'm gonna get going, but
All right, how you doing, Katie? Is everything good in life?
yeah, no complaints.
Good. Are you struggling with school and being in the Relief Study presidency and all that stuff?
Yeah, it's hard to balance everything right now. And also trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next semester. So that's good too.
Did you register?
I didn't. I'm thinking I might just work.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But the also thing is like I have to job search, which takes a lot of time, but I also have homework I need to be doing now, so